First fish. Big ol' fish, yes. This looks a big fish, that. Right then guys, so we're going to be doing a little bit of feeder fishing for bream today, and we're at a place I have never been to before, this ancient clay lake which harbours some big fish, in particular bream. We was talking to a guy after the carp when we first got here, and he confirmed that there's some 11 pound plus bream in here, which is exactly what we want. There's some up to 10 pound tension here as well, amazing fish. Carp go up to about 30 pound. But yeah, he'd had 7 out overnight, all of decent size, so I'm hoping that we can catch a couple today. Absolutely beautiful place, looks great for catching some fish. I haven't really been feeder fishing for a while. We've just come out of winter. Winter is not really that productive, but we're deep into spring now. The water temperatures are starting to rise, those fish are on the move, which makes feeder fishing a productive bit of sport for the day. So hopefully we can catch some fish. Let's get to it, shall we? But before all that guys, my name's Adam, if you're new around here. We go fishing all the time, we upload all the time as well. Every Monday at 7 o'clock we upload, so why not consider going down below, showing your support, smashing that subscribe button, leave a like if you really like this video guys. Let's go do some bagging, shall we? Let's go. Right then guys, so we've just finished implementing a bit of bait into the peg. We've just thrown about 8 feederfuls of ground bait out there. We've got a best old ground bait mix on the go today. We've got a heavy fish meal mix laden with loads of 2 and 4 mil halibut pellets. And I'm hoping that that'll just hold the fish, given that the fish actually turn up. And all we're going to be fishing with on the hook is worms and corn. That's all I've brought today. We've got some flavours and things like that just to change the flavours up on the corn and stuff, but other than that, that's all we're going to be trying. I've heard that that's pretty much all you really need to try in this place. The rig we've got on the go today is just a simple little 40 g cage feeder on there. It's not very deep, probably I think it's 6 foot deep in the middle. That's on a 6 pound main line going down to a 4 pound Maxima hook length, and then on there all I'm going to be fishing, like I say, is the corn with a size 14 hook. Beautiful stuff, and it's as easy as that. So like I say, we've implemented that bit of bait into there, and we're just going to get fishing over it. We've just got a little piece of corn on there, and that'll do it. We've clipped up, although I am a bit nervous about fishing the clip just because of the fish I've been told about in here, but we will fish that clip for now. If we start actually catching fish of decent size, I might remove that clip, you know what I mean, because anything could take this bait. And there she goes. Absolutely beautiful place this. Seems like a really natural place, full of lilies, which is just a place I like to be. We're fishing like almost to the centre of the lake. We're just going to keep plodding it in, see what happens. Glorious day for it. I'm hoping the fish get their heads down, just so we could catch a couple of fish, because that would be nice. I haven't seen proper decent bream for a while, and I would enjoy that. I feel like we might just give it a couple of tries up here. There is a lot of lily pads here and there which look prime for some tench, which we spent a lot of time tench fishing last year. Never actually caught any. Caught like baby ones, but we wanted some decent sized tench, so that could be a future episode I'm thinking about. Other than that, we're just going to have to cross our fingers and hope some bream turn up. Let's get to it, shall we? Let's go. First fish. Feels like a bream. Has to be a bream. like a decent fish. Slowly wallowing towards me. Decent fish. Bush right here, so I've got to be careful. Some lilies down there that I don't want it in. Big old snag down there. There you go. Get your head up. Oh aye. It's a decent fish. Beautiful. Oh aye. Best old bream. Good old fighter. Yeah, she's a bream. Oh aye. Big old fish, yes. First beautiful bream we have had for ages. Look at that. Oh, it's a good old £5 fish. I am not surprised that she was slow and wallowy. Oh aye, alright. It's not got any nodules on it yet. Big old black fish. There you go. Boom, what a fish. Can't even get my hand over its head. Good old £5 fish right there. No messing about. Probably best bream I have caught for a while. There you go. Beautiful fish right there. And that was on best little bit of corn, which I rarely use corn for bream, but we thought we'd give it a whirl today. Boom. I've been putting 2 pieces of corn in every feeder full. And there we have it. That did take about an hour, but we've piled quite a lot of bait in that hour. Boom. See what we can do now. Hopefully a few fish might have moved in. Got to watch that. I mean, the lily pads, I think the tops are off, but the shoots are still there because that got wrapped round a couple of things on the way in there. They're sort of that big that I couldn't really force it past them. Beautiful fish. Exactly what we came for right there. Hoo-hoo. Let's keep at it. Right then guys, we're all done down here now. One fish, but it was an absolutely beautiful fish though, so I am glad I came. We're going to get this fish out of the water in a minute and have a quick look at it. It's probably one of the biggest bream I've caught this year. Let's have a look, shall we? Let's go. Look at that. Well over £5. Definitely big old black thing. Absolutely beautiful fish. Glad we came. Definitely going to give this place another couple of goes over the next couple of weeks. Great stuff. Let's slip it back, shall we? This looks a big fish, that. That is a beautiful fish. Just glistening away. That best little bit of sun. It's got a big old back on it. Look at its back. Hope we can get into a couple more of them. Wants to go. There you go. Gone. Good day. Glad we came.